Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or simply curious about how to grow a local business, this discussion will provide valuable insights into one of the most powerful tools available, Google My Business. In today's digital-first world, where information is readily accessible and competition is fierce, having an optimized online presence can be the difference between thriving and just surviving. Let's begin with a simple question. How do you find local businesses? Imagine you need a plumber, a dentist, or even a great coffee shop. What's the first thing you do? Most of us turn to Google. We type something like "best coffee shop near me" or "top-rated dentist in city name." And within seconds, Google provides a list of options, complete with reviews, photos, operating hours, and even directions. This is all thanks to a tool called Google My Business, often referred to as GMB. Now, let's talk about how you can harness the power of GMB to attract customers in your local area. Google My Business is a free platform provided by Google that allows businesses to manage their presence on Google Search and Google Maps. It's like your online storefront, available 24/7 to potential customers. What's remarkable is that it's not just for big businesses or tech-savvy companies. It's accessible and useful for everyone, from small family-run bakeries to large retail chains. The first step to leveraging Google My Business is claiming and verifying your profile. If you haven't done this yet, make it your top priority. Go to the Google My Business website, sign in with your Google account, and search for your business. If it's already listed, you can claim it. If it's not listed, you can create a new one. Verification is the next step, where Google confirms that you are the rightful owner of the business. This often involves receiving a postcard, phone call, or email with a code you'll need to input on the platform. Verification is essential because only verified businesses appear in Google's local search results. Once your profile is verified, the real work begins. The first thing to do is to fill out your profile completely. Include your business name, address, phone number, website, and email. These details should be consistent across all platforms: your website, social media pages, and online directories. Consistency not only builds trust with customers, but also improves your local SEO rankings. Even small discrepancies, like different abbreviations for your address, can confuse Google and hurt your visibility. Next, let's focus on your business hours. This may seem minor, but accurate hours are critical. Imagine a customer finding your profile, seeing that you're open, and driving to your location, only to find out you're closed. That's a surefire way to lose a customer and earn a negative review. Be diligent about updating your hours during holidays, special events, or temporary closures. If you're a seasonal business, make it clear when you're operating. Choosing the right category for your business is another vital step. Categories help Google understand what your business offers and match you with relevant searches. Your primary category should be the one that best describes your business. For example, if you're a florist, choose florist as your primary category. You can also add secondary categories such as wedding florist or gift shop to provide more context. Attributes are another way to enhance your profile. These are specific features of your business, like wheelchair accessible, pet-friendly, or outdoor seating. These details might seem small, but they can make a significant difference in attracting the right customers. One of the most impactful elements of your Google My Business profile is the visual content. Humans are visual creatures, and high-quality photos can significantly influence a customer's decision-making process. Businesses with photos receive 42% more requests for directions and 35% more clicks to their websites. If you run a restaurant, upload photos of your menu items, interior and exterior. If you own a salon, showcase before and after photos of your work. Videos are equally powerful. A short video introducing your business, featuring your team, or showing behind-the-scenes glimpses can build a personal connection with your audience. Your business description is another key element. This is your opportunity to tell your story and highlight what sets you apart. Write a concise, keyword-rich description that captures the essence of your business. For instance, if you own a yoga studio, you might say, "Serenity Yoga offers a range of classes designed to help you relax, rejuvenate, and find balance. From beginner-friendly sessions to advanced workshops, our experienced instructors create a welcoming environment of Google My Business." Positive reviews can do wonders for your reputation and rankings. According to research, 93% of consumers read online reviews before making a purchase, and 85% trust them as much as personal recommendations. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews by asking them directly, sending follow-up emails, or including a review link on your receipts or newsletters. Responding to reviews is just as important. Thank customers for positive feedback and address negative reviews professionally and constructively. For example, if a customer complains about slow service, apologize and explain how you're working to improve. This not only shows that you value feedback, but also demonstrates transparency and a commitment to customer satisfaction. Another powerful feature of Google My Business is the ability to create posts. Think of these as social media updates for your profile. Use posts to share promotions, announce new products, or highlight upcoming events. For instance, if you're running a holiday sale, create a post with a compelling image and clear call to action, such as "Shop our holiday collection and enjoy 20% off this weekend only." These posts keep your profile fresh and engaging, encouraging customers to stay connected with your business. Messaging is another tool you can leverage. By enabling this feature, you allow customers to contact you directly through your profile. This is especially useful for businesses that rely on quick communication, like service providers or restaurants taking reservations. Just make sure you respond promptly. A delayed response can frustrate customers and harm your reputation. Insights are one of the most valuable aspects of Google My Business. This feature provides analytics about how customers interact with your profile. You can see how many people view your listing, click on your website, call your business, or request directions. Use these insights to refine your strategy. For example, if you notice a high number of searches for vegan options and you offer them, emphasize this in your photos, descriptions, and posts. Local SEO is another critical aspect of Google My Business. To improve your local search rankings, use relevant keywords throughout your profile. These keywords should reflect what customers are searching for. For instance, if you run a pet grooming service, terms like dog grooming, pet spa, or cat grooming near me should appear in your description, posts, and even in your photo captions. Building local backlinks is also beneficial. Collaborate with other local businesses, sponsor community events, or get mentioned in local blogs or news outlets. These backlinks signal to Google that your business is a trusted part of the local community. Keeping your profile updated is crucial. Businesses evolve, and so should your Google My Business profile. Whether you are introducing a new service, updating your logo, or changing your hours, make sure your profile reflects these changes. An outdated profile can confuse customers and harm your credibility. In conclusion, Google My Business is an indispensable tool for attracting local customers and building a strong online presence. It's free, user-friendly, and incredibly powerful when used correctly. By claiming your profile, optimizing it with accurate information, engaging with customers through reviews and posts, and leveraging features like photos, messaging, and insights, you can create a robust digital storefront that works for you 24/7. The key is consistency and engagement. The more effort you put into your Google My Business profile, the more rewards you'll reap in terms of visibility, customer trust, and ultimately, sales. So, if you haven't already, take the first step today. Claim your Google My Business profile, start optimizing it, and watch as it transforms the way you connect with your local customers. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.